Hello everyone, this is Karu Baki. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be going to share a very affordable makeup tutorial for the college going and office going girls. Let's begin the video. So first of all, let's moisturize our face, and for that I will be using the simple moisturizer. So for my skin, it's a combination skin during summer season, so I prefer a lightweight moisturizer yet something that will hydrate my skin. So you can pick anything according to your skin type. Now I would be using a sunscreen, and I'm using this one from the Wish Care. It's a very lightweight sunscreen yet provides you that sun protection, and it's very important to apply SPF every day. And it gives a very dewy and a very glowy finish, which I love, by the way. And yeah, you can take any SPF, but you should see if it's SPF 50 or PA++ or not, because it provides a better protection. So it's been a few minutes and my sunscreen has been properly absorbed by my skin. So now we will start the makeup. They said it will be affordable, so I would be using this Mars BB cream because during daytime I just don't want my skin to feel heavy, so I am using the BB cream. You can use a tinted sunscreen or anything you like, but for me, foundation in the daytime it's a bit too much, so I'm going to apply a BB cream. I will be using a brush to blend it. I like to blend it through a brush, but you can use your hands to blend it, and it's totally normal to blend it with your hands. I just don't want my hands to get dirty, so that's why. So I have applied it evenly over my whole face. See the coverage, it's give that medium to full coverage if you layer it, but I just want this level of coverage, or have applied one layer of it. Done with the BB cream. Now I will move forward with a concealer because I do have some dark spots under my eyes and some pigmentation here around my lips, and so for that I'm gonna use the inside concealer. It is the dupe of the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I took out the sponge because it's too dirty to use that sponge, so I would be using it through a beauty blender, and it gives a very good finish actually. Let me show you how neatly it blends and provides you that good coverage and instant brightening of my under eyes. I think you can see the difference. This area is covered, and this side you can see I have also applied around my mouth, and yeah, we are done with concealer, and now we will move forward for the blush. And for blush I have three options. One is from Inside Cream Blush, and it is in the shade Watermelon Popsicle. Another one is also from Inside, and it is in the shade Country Bumpkin 03. And the third one is from Lakme Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Flushed Pink. This one is the powder blush, and before that the two I have shown was a cream blush. Okay, so I would be using this shade today because I want a very fresh peachy orangey look. So for that I would be using, just see that color payoff. I just taken a very few quantity, and it instantly gives that flushed look. I just like to do a sun-kissed type of blush routine. You can apply however you like it. There is no certain way you can layer your makeup. Whatever is comfortable with you, you can do that. So I have done this, and I think I'm gonna top off with the Lakme blush. I would be topping it off with the Lakme blush because it will lock the cream blush in its place, and also it will give that gradient effect. You see that? Yeah. I love that finish. Some on my nose, some in my chin. I think that's pretty much it. We will move forward with setting up base. I would use the Mars Cosmetics loose powder. You can also take the banana powder from Inside Cosmetics or from pack. I'm using this because I have recently purchased and I wanted to try, and it's pretty much good according to my experience. I'm just setting my under eyes, and we will do a little bit of eye makeup, and that we will brush off. For the eyes, I would be taking the same blush, that is the Watermelon Popsicle. I will just apply it with my fingers. Yeah. See the color Pure Fit provides. I have a pigmented eyelid, so it's giving a little bit different shade that it looks, but yeah, it looks gorgeous. I will take a beauty blender and set my eyes. And you can see that color, it's just toned out the color. And so to set my face, I will use the same beauty blender and take some setting powder, and I will brush off the extra, and you can see the finish. You can see the difference between this side of my face and that side. That's why setting your base is important during summers. In winters, you can have a glowy dew finish base, but in summer, you have to lock it with setting powder. Otherwise, it won't stay for long. You just don't have to drag it, you just have to pat it. So for eyeliner, I have the Maybelline Colossal one. You can have any other affordable options, but I like the finish of this one, so yeah. We will just apply the liner. I'm starting from here and just ending off it there. And you can you can wing it according to you. See? It's pretty much done, and let me do the other eye and come. Now we're done with both the eyes. I know it's not similar, but yeah, it can be identical because you can't apply same eyeliner. Sorry, I forgot to record. I applied the Marsh eyebrow pencil. Now I'm brushing it off with its fully provided, and I think that's pretty much it. I do have a naturally thicker eyebrow. Now we will move forward to our lips, and for that I also have some few options. That is one of my affordable favorite, that is from L18 Nutty Latte. It's my favorite. I've completed I think these two of this, and so you can tell how much I like it. And another one is a nude shade, that is 58 from Miss Claire. I also love this one. So today I will be using this L18 one and the Miss Claire one. So I would line my lip. I will use this shade as the lip liner. See how lovely the color is, and I'm gonna top up it with the Miss Claire one. See, that's the perfect lip combo I prefer, and anytime I use this lip combo I get so many compliments. So yeah, we're pretty much done for it. I'm gonna just apply the mascara, and mascara I'm going with the Essence one. It's my favorite because it gives you that length, which I love, and you can get it at affordable range during sales. Just see the volume it provides. You can see the difference between this one and this one, and it's done. You can see it has given that instant lengthening effect. The setting spray, I'm using the Marsh Seal the Deal because it's a very affordable and yet high performing setting spray. I'll just use it. I will just let it dry, and yeah, we are done. See, it provides a glowy look also, and it's a very good setting spray for the budget. And yeah, this is the whole look.